In Palestine, a land of ancient roots, where olive trees bear witness to the truth, a people's strength transcends the pain with deep resilience amid the rain. From Hebron's hills to Nablus's springs, the beauty of the land's solace sings. Amidst a conflict that seems unending, a hope for peace and love keeps blooming. The call to prayer echoes through the air, a reminder of faith and its fervor and flair. Jerusalem, a holy land revered, where cultures collide and diversity is revered. The food, the spices, the sweet so fine, a culinary journey that's truly divine. A melange of flavors that's hard to pass. Palestine's cuisine, one that's unsurpassed. Tulkarm, Ramallah, and Gaza too, a place of refugees' pain so true, but also a place of freedom's stand, defying all odds and taking command. Palestinian culture that's rich and strong, a tie that unites people all along. In music, dance, and poetry, it thrives. Palestine's heart beats in every life. In Palestine, a land so longed for, a struggle for justice calls for more. A land where hope springs eternal, a people's strength, a story infernal.